Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock account to your smart TV for streaming content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store specific to your TV's operating system, such as LG Content Store, Samsung Smart Hub, or your TV's native app marketplace. Step 2. Search for the Peacock TV app using the search function. Once you find it, select the app and click Install or Download to add it to your smart TV. Step 3. Wait for the installation to complete, then open the Peacock app from your TV's app list or home screen. Step 4. On the Peacock app, Welcome screen, select Sign In to begin the account linking process. The app will display an activation code on your TV screen. Step 5. Using your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and navigate to peacocktv.com/TV or the activation URL shown on your TV screen. Step 6. On the activation website, enter the code displayed on your TV screen exactly as shown, then click Continue or Activate to proceed. Step 7. Log into your Peacock account by entering your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one at this stage. Step 8. After successful authentication, your TV will automatically refresh and you'll be logged into your Peacock account. You can now start streaming your favorite content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.